Hello, this is Mr. G. This time we are going to be working on a Go Math textbook for 5th grade, and our lesson is going to be about place value, multiplication, and expressions. You can see the place value here on the top. You can see here we have the ones, the thousand, and the millions. And under the one we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Under the thousands we have ones, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And under the million we have 1 million, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So for the ones, on the ones place, basically on the ones you multiply by 1, on the tens you multiply by 10, on the 100 you multiply by 100, by 1,000 you multiply by 1,000, by 10,000 or any number on a 10,000 place in the place value, you have to multiply that number by 10,000. On the 100,000, that number must be multiplied by 100,000, and so on with the 1 millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So on the 1 million, you multiply that number by 1 million, and the 10 million, you multiply that number by 10 millions, and 100 million, that number is multiplied by 100 million. So now we have here a couple of exercises from 2 all the way to 5 where we are going to be completing this exercise. So let's get started. Well, it says here, write the value of the underlined digit. So the underlined digit here is 4. And if we place 4 on the place value we have here on the top, so we could say that we read this number from right to left. We read from this direction all the way to here. This is right to left. So then this number is in the ones place, tens place, 100 place, and 4 is in the 1,000 place. It's in the 1,000, but which is going to be here. So basically, if we take this number and we place it under the place value, it will look like this. 3 will go here. 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, and 1. So this number 4 is under the 1,000. So basically is to multiply 4 by 1,000. So then what will be, if we multiply using the multiplication, if we multiply 4 by 1,000, what number are we going to have? So we copy the 3 zeros over here, and we multiply only 1 times 4 is equal to 4. So then this number is, the value of 4 here is 4,000. Is 4 with 3 zeros. Now what about 3? We have to use the place value also to identify the value of the underlying number, which is the number 1 on exercise 3. So we have here ones, tens, hundreds. So then 2 should go here, 0 goes over here, and 1 goes over here. 8, 9, and 5. 1 is under the 100,000, so is under 100. So basically we have to multiply 1 times 100. So then the value of 1 here is 100. Exercise 4. We are still identifying the value of the underlined number. Remember, this is a lesson for 5th grade using the place value with the multiplication and expression. So the expression we're talking about is because we are multiplying that underlined number by the place it has in the place value. So here we have 55439. If we write this number under our place value to identify the value of it, so we have to do it the following way. We start from left and from right to left. That way it will be easy for us to identify the value of that number. We have 5 here, 5, 4, 3, 9, and we have 0, and we have 7. So that number is 7,093,455. So if we find the value of 9, 9 is under the 10,000. So which means we have to multiply 9 times 10,000. 9 times 10,000 is like you multiply 9 times 10 is equal to 90. So what about the rest of the 3 zeros? You just add them here. So that will be, the value of 9 is 90,000. Okay, there you go. I fixed that. Okay, what about this exercise 5? We have to find the value of 3 on the number line. I have to clear this here. We can have our area of work clean. Let's place the number again under the place value. We have 8 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 8 again, 6, 5, 2, 1, 0, and 3. So 3 is under the 100 million. So basically here is to multiply 3 times 100 million. 3 times 100 million. So have to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we do here, only multiply 3 times 100. So that would be 300. And then you add the rest of the zeros here. So there we go. That will be 300 million. That will be the value of 3 in this expression. So this is the easy way how we can do this. Okay, now what about exercise 5 and 6? I mean 6 and 7 before we jump into 8, 9, and 10. So after doing exercises 2 all the way to 7, you will be able to work on your own on the following exercises on page number. I will say the page number right now. On page number 213. So let's go back. Okay, we were here before. We have here this number. So this is the same as the place value. Basically, we have to do our multiplication from back to forth. 6 times 1, that would be 6 ones. Then we have here 4 times 1,000, that would be 4,000. Let's see how that works. This is like an expanded form. Let's see how that works. Okay, then we have here 8 times 100,000, that would be 800,000. Let's do this here. So then what number is this? Expanded form. 406. 804,006. That would be the regular form to write that. 7,020,032. 7,020,032. This is the right way to write this number. Thank you very much. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to clear my board so you can work on the exercises 8, 9, 10, 11, and the one right after it. So if you want to see what is this about, you can pause the video and go back to it and see what's going on. Clear this up first, and then so now you will be able to work on these exercises on your own. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You can work in that. So that's page 13. This lesson is for 5th grade. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this math video lesson so we can approach math in a very easy way for our kids and they can enjoy math. Thank you very much.